In news overseas, the world has entered a new era of severe water challenges, one with irreversible consequences, according to a new United Nations report. The report says the planet's water situation is now so serious that terms like water crisis no longer capture its true scale. The report's author describes the situation as a global water bankruptcy, explaining that while nature provides water through rain and snow, the world is using more than it receives, placing us in deficit. Climate change-driven heat and drought are compounding the problem. The report urges countries to move away from short-term emergency responses and adopt long-term strategies to reduce irreversible damage, including transforming farming practices, improving irrigation efficiency, strengthening water monitoring, reducing pollution, and protecting wetlands and groundwater. The findings are based on a study published in the journal Water Resources.